Chris M. purchased an Inferior walk-in tub. He replaced it with an Ella walk-in tub. Here's his story.
The first walk-in tub was not exactly to my liking. I specifically said to the sales representative, who we are still very close friends today because he left this company, and I told him that I was very much involved in swimming and other exercises, and I needed something to revitalize my body, with all the extensive exercise that I was doing and being involved in the master swimming program. He says, oh yes, this tub that we have here will do exactly what you want. And this is now, I want to make sure that the water force in the tub is going to be forceful. I don't want anything that's wimpy. I said, oh no, this would be great. This will be fine. This will be very therapeutic for you. This is exactly what you're looking for. So one thing led to another. I believed him. I believed the commercials that were on the television with its representative. And so when the tub arrived, to make a long story short, it wasn't what I expected, what I was expecting, I should say. And the water just kind of filtered through, it was just a warm stream, let's put it this way, but it wasn't anything that very therapeutic that I needed. So I was very disappointed. And so I had the tub removed. And I sent it back to the company, but I only got 1/4 of the value back, which was unfortunate. But I wouldn't be able to live with it. I was led to believe that I was really getting my money's worth out of this tub. And this tub cost nearly, well, not nearly, $21,000. And not realizing that I was being bamboozled, you could say. And the company, as they do for a lot of senior citizens, because their tub is for senior citizens. And they don't know any different. And most of the senior citizens are going to be very wealthy people or have a lucrative income. I believed what I was being told, that I was going to get my money's worth, and when it was brought in, it was rather small to begin with. And the water pressure was just terrible. It just swirled. It didn't bubble, it didn't do anything really except just swirl. And yeah, it was just very disappointing. What I was told by the sales representative was that it had a lot of force, you're going to be really happy with it, but it wasn't true. So when I got on the tub, the first tub, and I says, where are the jets? And so this is not jets. This is just like flowing water off of a rock cliff. There's no jets. Sure. And I said, get it out of here. I don't want it. I'm finished with it. So as they were removing the tub, I was talking to the workers, and specifically to the plumber who had installed the tub and also took the tub out. And he says to me, he says, Christopher, if you really want to have a good tub, but you can't tell anybody, and don't tell anybody here that I'm saying this, but if you want big bubbles, the best bang out of your bubbles, then get Ellis Bubbles. They're right here in Chicago. That's the way to go. But don't mention anybody that I told you this, because I don't want to lose my job with this company. So I went to the next step, and that was the 2-seater tub. And with working with David and designing this tub, I put a Bluetooth in it for music, to work off the smartphone or any other smartphone or smart device. And also I put in higher RPM motors in there so I can get that good force. And extra orifices in the tub for more volume of air and water pressure. And what I received is completely beyond the first tub, especially in price. What I have here, if it was sold by the other company, they would probably be asking around 40 grand, in my opinion. So I did get the best bang out of the buck and got more features and everything for a third or a quarter less from the first tub. It is a gem. It's beautiful, and I'm so proud of Ellis Bubbles and also for the owner for taking pride in his company and with his products, and also working with me to make this happen. Ellis Bubbles has a 2-seat tub. As far as I understand, Ellis Bubbles is the only manufacturer that provides a 2-seat walk-in tub. And what's really nice about it is, as well, you have these swivel trays here. You can put your beverage here, or your remote control for your television, because I have a television here, just for Ellis Bubbles. I really encourage everybody, if you're going to get a tub, sure, do your research. I thought I did mine, but not well enough. Go to Ellis Bubbles and get your tub.